दोस्तों नमस्ते। दोस्तों, टुडे I will discuss how to speak fluent English. English speaking is a mental work, is a mental job. Some people do mental job, maximum people do physical job, and mental job is a boring job. Hence, you should be motivated, and this motivation should be internally. Otherwise, after some times, you will give up the process of English learning. English learning is a skill. There is no need to be talent, no need to be brilliant. If you have not enough knowledge of English language, then you should have some knowledge of English language. For example, first of all, you should read English book. You should read story in English language. You should listen to news in English language. Then you should try to write on copy in English. And there are three processes: reading, learning, writing, and speaking. If you are not able to learning and writing English, then you will not be able also in speaking English. Hence, you should try more and more for speaking language. Then, if you read any book and you have found any word, you should write down this word in your copy. Then you will have to maintain stock word. Without stock word, you can neither write, you cannot speak English. And speak English is a easy work. If you want, you should daily almost 1 or 2 hours speak in. Otherwise, you will be boring. And English speaking is a interest. If you have not interest in learning English language, then you will not able to speak learning, because after some time you will give up the process of learning English. Hence, you should have you will have to create interest in English language. You will have to create emotion in English language. You will have to create passion in English language. Then you will be able to speak English language. English language is not a game of children, but if you want, if you have willpower, then you will make it as a game of children. But you have a many problem in learning English, because you have no environment of English. Your family background is not related to English. Your parents do not speak English, but your neighbors, your relation, your friend do not speak learning. In this situation, you will have to create English environment. But sentence creation is a one of the important function in learning English. If your mind do not create any sentence, then you will not able to speak learning, because Empathy mind, if your mind is empathy, then what and what and how can you speak English? There, hence, there should be any material in your mind relating English language. Otherwise, you will not able speak to English language.